I shall never forgive you. I dare you. Hurt me if you can! I lay my sins to waste. Your misdeeds merit no mercy! May your guilt plague you. Lord Hideyoshi, I have yet to earn my death. I cannot die like this. Lord Hideyoshi! I shall go my own way. I suggest you do the same. Hate. It is the fire that fuels us all. Lord Hideyoshi, please grant me permission to kill her! How many more must I slay before I have your head on a pike? You are nothing but a nuisance, wasting my time! You. How would you like to taste your own blood? Just when I thought my mood couldn't worsen. Leave! Be gone! Disappear from my sight at once! I can see in your eyes the hatred I feel in mine. Kill me! Leave me to die in a pool of my own blood! Go ahead. I am happy to take responsibility. I will pay for it with my life. Do you see what I can do? The strength Lord Hideyoshi has entrusted in me! Lord Hideyoshi, Lord Hanbei, your influence spreads. Lord Hideyoshi, has this pleased you? Still your tongue, pirate! Your philosophy stinks of sentiment! Do not stop, Yoshitsugu. Continue to the end. If it had been me, I would have slaughtered them all. Do not make me repeat myself. I will not allow you to die. No! You cannot die! Ieyasu! 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 You rob me of my allies, isolate me, and then reproach me for my want of brotherhood! Make sense of this hypocrisy if you dare even try! You will return this castle to its rightful owner, and you will restore it to the exact pristine state you found it in! On that day, I died! But you ran away to save yourself! And you continue to flee!
Pre-curse you. Your sanity eclipsed. My mind blots yours out. I'll overshadow you. You're a lesser power. Small minds are quickly broken. I'll snuff out your sanity. Let me shatter that mind for you. Don't give it a thought. Your attention, please. Eclipsed. Overshadowed. Your mind restored. Faith rewarded. My legions rejoice. Power from the outer dark. Power from the darkness. To the outer dark. Be gone. Banished. Away with you. Away. To the place of darkness. To the abyss. Time out for you. Lend me some mind power. I've received some intelligence. Think it over. Take some time to think it over. Enough with you. Enough. Orb on. Orb off. Darkness calls. I bring destruction. Dark auspices. I bring dark tidings. Forerunner of fate. The beat of baleful wings. Dark shadows. Ill-fated flight. I herald your destruction. Your future is grim. Their sanity I'll shatter. Their dreams of conquest I'll destroy. I have solid intelligence on what is to come. Blink dagger, a harbinger of their swift end. Dark destinies await, ill omens to be fulfilled. Let's put off the inevitable. Despair. Your doom impends. Your death presaged. I'm warning you, crummy wizard. No. My wings, my heart no longer beat. The stone has reached my heart. My wings are heavy, fallen like a stone. The runes go dark. I return to the outer dark, back to the oblique world. The world on the rim calls me home. This changes nothing. Outworld calling. I am ill-disposed toward you. My death foretold. Who clipped me? Oblique and obsolete. Wings so heavy. Denied. Denied. Forebodden. It was not your fate. It was never yours. Mine. You should have known. Saw that one coming. Ha ha. Ha ha. Double damage. Death I deal with each serrated wing. Precursors. They still live. False warnings. I knew I'd be back. First blood. Let them take this as an omen. Haste. An ill wind carries me. Illusion. Heed the warnings we three bring. Immortality. There will always be something worse on the wing. As foretold, it is in the bag. Invisibility. There shall be no foreshadowing of death. Shiva's guard. Scythe of vice. Orchid malevolence. Bloodstone. Scepter of divinity. Black King Bar. Lincoln's Spear. Null Talisman. Another Null Talisman. Can't have too many of these. As foretold. An end to ill omens. My wings beat where your heart does not. Destroyer's shadow covers you. Visitant to the outer dark. A mind prepared, a death foretold. I warned you. That sharp pain you felt was my intellect. Serrated wings of wisdom cut you down. I'm not always oblique. I was only indirectly responsible. I was the harbinger of that. Top is missing. Middle is missing. Bottom is missing. A feeble mind. Dimwit. You're insane. Destroyed. Winged you. Worse to come. Worse things waiting. Either or else. Or what? with the rhythms of eternity. I caught an updraft. The darkness deepens. Lifted on a mad wind. Updrafted. To perilous heights. I can see my home world from here. Good news travels slowly. Bad news has wings. No. Defeated. This changes nothing. The destroyer is destroyed. Yes. Yes. Fair warning. Foul portents. Ill omens. From the world on the rim. The blood sun rises. Darkness advances. I take wing. Path of destruction. In flight. On dark wings. The harbinger comes. I bring bad news. Last warning. Darkness advances. Yes. 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 Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Darkness comes on apace. Bring it on. I was meant to have this. Regeneration. That I may not falter in my flight. A quick trip to the outer dark. My wings unfurl. I remain undefeated. The prophecy still holds sway. The dark winds of prophecy send me aloft. Auguries on the wing. Let's try this again. I have a dread feeling about this. I return with dark things in my wake. Worse things than me wait in the wings. I am one darkness you must not have seen. If you had looked for true harbingers, you might have prophesied your own demise. It was in my nature to destroy you, prophet. Harbinger of bad news for Anti-Mage. Call me Anti-Mage Destroyer. Well, if it isn't Anti-Mage. Tiny, your stones are hardly precious enough to collect. Your blades, Pudge, were as dull as your wits. That's Pudge for you, always missing the point. I heard you were heavy, but I found you not so. You're lighter than you look. It was no trouble to carry you off. You let yourself get carried away. You're out of the action. Hard carry. I hardly cared. You are the ill wind beneath my wings. Bad luck. The worst is still to come. Shattered. False prophet. You were a false prophet. Scepter. Let this be a warning to them. A second scepter. 3 scepters. Quad scepter. Shitty wizard. Outworld destroyer. From the outer dark I come. From the fortress afloat in the dark. I could hear your caterwauling from clear out on the rim. May your doom be averted. My thanks. I'm under attack. Yes. Victory. At last, my existence has meaning. My purpose. First blood. Double kill. Killing spree. Triple kill. Mega kill. Ultra kill. Ownage. Dominating. Unstoppable. Wicked sick. Monster kill. Godlike. Holy shit. Rampage. Combo whore. First blood. Double kill. Killing spree. Dominating. Mega kill. Monster kill. Wicked sick. Unstoppable. Godlike. Holy shit. Triple kill. Ultra kill. Rampage. Combo whore. Bloodlust. Massacre. Bloodbath. Domination. Headshot. Humiliation. Genocide. Serial killer. Nemesis. Ultimate warrior. Let's get it on. Retribution. Hat-trick. Savage sick. Ultimate warrior. Immortal. Legendary. Champion of Newerth.